40 Elon Musk Inspiring Quotes to Work Like a Visionary. Read here the powerful inspiring quotes from Elon Musk that will help you to set a visionary goal for yourself. Elon Musk is a visionary business leader who has a dream of changing the world. Elon Musk is working to revolutionize transportation both on Earth and in space. He is dreaming to land humans on Mars in his life period. His thoughts are very inspiring to fill your inner body with energy. It will help you to set a visionary goal for yourself, and will also give you the motivation to work towards that goal and achieve that goal. Inspiring quotes by Elon Musk to have a vision. Find the best inspirational Elon Musk quotes that will help you to have a clear vision in your life. 1. Education is basically downloading data and algorithms into your brain. Elon Musk. 2. People should pursue what they're passionate about. That will make them happier than pretty much anything else. Elon Musk. Elon Musk quotes on goal setting. Set goals for your life with the help of the Elon Musk quotes. Three. When I was in college, I wanted to be involved in things that would change the world. Elon Musk. 4. If humanity doesn't land on Mars in my lifetime, I would be very disappointed. Elon Musk. 5. My vision is for a fully reusable rocket transport system between Earth and Mars that is able to refuel on Mars. Elon Musk. 6. Mars is the only place in the solar system where it's possible for life to become multiplanetarian. Elon Musk. Elon Musk quotes to never give up. 7. No, I don't ever give up. I'd have to be dead or completely incapacitated. Elon Musk. Improving tips by Elon Musk. 8. It's very important to have a feedback loop, where you're constantly thinking about what you've done, and how you could be doing it better. Elon Musk. 9. Constantly think about how you could be doing things better. Elon Musk. 10. I think that's the single best piece of advice. Constantly think about how you could be doing things better and questioning yourself. Elon Musk. Elon Musk quotes on social media. 11. Particularly on Instagram, people look like they have a much better life than they really do. Elon Musk. 12. People basically seem like they are way better looking than they really are, and they are way happier seeming than they really are. Elon Musk. 13. Facebook is quite entrenched and has a network effect. It's hard to break into a network once it's formed. Elon Musk. 14. I hate writing about personal stuff. I don't have a Facebook page. I don't use my Twitter account. I am familiar with both, but I don't use them. Elon Musk. Elon Musk quotes on starting a company. 15. Great companies are built on great products. Elon Musk. 16. If you're trying to create a company, it's like baking a cake. You have to have all the ingredients in the right proportion. Elon Musk. Elon Musk quotes to work like a visionary. 17. People work better when they know what the goal is and why. Elon Musk. 18. It is important that people look forward to coming to work in the morning and enjoy working. Elon Musk. 19. It's very important to like the people you work with. Otherwise, your job is going to be quite miserable. Elon Musk. 20. There have to be reasons that you get up in the morning and you want to live. Elon Musk. 21. I'm not trying to be anyone's savior. I'm just trying to think about the future and not be sad. Elon Musk. 22. Life needs to be more than just solving problems every day. You need to wake up and be excited about the future. Elon Musk. Elon Musk quotes on science and technology. 23. Any product that needs a manual to work is broken. Elon Musk. 24. If we drive down the cost of transportation in space, we can do great things. Elon Musk. 25. The key to making things affordable is design and technology improvements, as well as scale. Elon Musk. 26. If you think back to the beginning of cell phones, laptops, or really any new technology, it's always expensive. Elon Musk. 27. Science is discovering the essential truths about what exists in the universe. Engineering is about creating things that never existed. Elon Musk. Inspiring quotes by Elon Musk. 28. The first step is to establish that something is possible, then probability will occur. Elon Musk. 29. If something is important enough, you should try even if the probable outcome is a failure. Elon Musk. 30. One of the really tough things is figuring out what questions to ask. Once you figure out the question, then the answer is relatively easy. Elon Musk. 31. It is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. Elon Musk. 32. Make sure you understand the fundamental principles. Elon Musk. 33. We are the first species capable of self-annihilation. Elon Musk. 34. Man has the power to act as his own destroyer, and that is the way he has acted through most of his history. Elon Musk. 35. Nobody wants to buy a $60,000 electric Civic. but people will pay $90,000 for an electric sports car. Elon Musk. 36. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is a disaster. Elon Musk. 37. Patience is a virtue, and I'm learning patience. It's a tough lesson. Elon Musk. 38. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Elon Musk. 39. You get paid in direct proportion to the difficulty of problems you solve. Elon Musk. 40. You should take the approach that you're wrong. Your goal is to be less wrong. Elon Musk. Final words. I hope you liked the above Elon Musk quotes. Don't forget to mention the best line that you liked most from the above lines in the comment box below. You may also like the motivational quotes mentioned below. Also, you can join our Instagram page to get daily positive lines, or you can visit our Pinterest page to get motivational images.